Welcome guys. In this daily Bitcoin technical analysis, I will do technical analysis of Bitcoin and I will tell you my next price target for the Bitcoin right now. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now. And if you want to get $2,300 bonus of Binance and Bybit exchange, just go to in this video's comment section where you can get pin message. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get these bonuses. Let's dive into the content and let me please show you what are my main targets of the Bitcoin right now, and I will definitely show you my next very important charts to all of you. So please watch this video until end. Bitcoin is currently at $29,711, and this is Bitcoin weekly chart. Unfortunately, Bitcoin break this weekly support and closed weekly candle below this support zone, and now it is turning very bearish right now. Next big support zone for the Bitcoin in weekly time frame is at $19,000 area. Here you can see this is the area. This is the major weekly time frame support for the Bitcoin right now. And let me please show you one thing which is very bearish, and let me please show you. This is weekly EMA ribbon, and here you can see Bitcoin break this EMA ribbon. Here you can see and close weekly candle below this and start weekly candle below this EMA ribbon, and that is why Bitcoin is looking very bearish right now. Now what is the next target and what are my thoughts according to the Bitcoin? Let me please show you. In weekly time frame, Bitcoin can go down to $19,000. This is the fact. Bitcoin maybe can go down to hit this zone, $28,000, and after that maybe Bitcoin price pull back. But if Bitcoin lose this area, then definitely next major support zone for in weekly Bitcoin chart is at $19,000. That is disaster. Let me please show you another Bitcoin weekly chart. This is very important chart, and let me please show you some history. And if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now. This is weekly chart, and this blue line is 50 weekly moving average, and this yellow line is 200 weekly moving average. Let me please show you some past history. Bitcoin price was $19,000, and after that Bitcoin price touched this 50 weekly moving average and this box area here you can see, and after touching this Bitcoin price bounced back, and after that Bitcoin price goes down, and now this 50 weekly EMA line is turning as a resistance, and after that here you can see Bitcoin touch 200 weekly moving average, and after touching this Bitcoin bounced here, and after that Bitcoin was at $14,000, and after hitting $40,000 Bitcoin again going to retest this, and Bitcoin again hit 50 weekly moving average, and after hitting this 50 weekly moving average acts like a support zone for the Bitcoin, and after hitting this price bounced back again, and after some upside movements Bitcoin again break this 50 weekly moving average towards downside, and here you can see second time 200 weekly moving average, this yellow line acting like a support zone. After hitting this support zone Bitcoin price again bounced back, and after that Bitcoin was in this uptrend, and here you can see after that Bitcoin hit $65,000. Now here you can see this is very important thing. Let me please show you. This is the thing. Unfortunately, let me please zoom this. Here you can see Bitcoin break this 50 weekly moving average towards downside, and this is very bearish sign. Now according to the past history, let me please show you again. Once Bitcoin break this 50 weekly moving average, in that case Bitcoin can easily hit 200 weekly moving average. Here you can see, and here you can also see Bitcoin break this 50 weekly moving average, and after that Bitcoin hit again 200 weekly moving average. There are several examples, and these are the facts that Bitcoin can hit. Let me please show you. Bitcoin can hit this zone, 13,000, maybe $14,000 is very, very near. And according to the pattern, let me please show you. If this happens, this will be the 50 weekly moving average, and if this happens, then Bitcoin is ready to hit this 50 weekly moving average, and after hitting this, Bitcoin price can pull back like this. Now this weekly 200 weekly moving average is around about $14,000 area. Once Bitcoin hit this area, in that case price of the Bitcoin definitely will bounce back. I am not saying that Bitcoin is ready to hit $14,000, but this is fact. Every time when Bitcoin break 50 weekly moving average, Bitcoin price goes down to retest or touch this 200 weekly moving average. That is why I am saying this, that Bitcoin can hit $14,000 in large time frame. It is the expectation from Bitcoin. Let me please show you 1 hourly chart. This is 1 hourly Gemini chart, and here you can see something very, very important. Let me please arrange this chart for you. Here you can see Bitcoin is still was in this descending channel, and here you can see one touch, second touch, third touch, but fails to break towards upside, and after that price goes down. Here you can see, here you can see, here you can see, and this is the first touch, second touch, and after that third touch, and now fourth touch. But unfortunately here you can see Bitcoin break this descending channel towards downside. What is that? What is the meaning? The meaning is very simple. Let me please calculate this. According to the pattern, Bitcoin price can go down to retest this zone. If I put it at the lower trend line, in that case Bitcoin price can go down to retest to hit this zone, $28,170. This is the target. This is one scenario. Let me please show you second very important thing. Bitcoin, let me please zoom this. Here you can see Bitcoin break this, Bitcoin form this bearish flag, and here you can see after that Bitcoin price goes down to hit this. Now Bitcoin is again in this bearish flag and bear flag, you can say, and price of the Bitcoin can further go down. Let me please calculate the targets. The first bear flag target was that area, $30,000, and Bitcoin hit this. But unfortunately Bitcoin break this area, and now Bitcoin is in this again bear flag. And let me please clone this, and let me please show you what are the targets. According to that pattern, target would be like this, $28,300 area. Things are very, very clear. Bitcoin can hit $28,300 to $28,100 area, and price can go down to hit these zones according to the pattern. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. 1 hourly EMA ribbon candles are very far away, and it is at $30,000 to $31,000 area. Once Bitcoin break $31,000 area and close 1 hourly candle, in that case Bitcoin price will go up, otherwise Bitcoin price definitely will go down. Let me please show you volume. Volume is very decent, and let me please show you VPBR. Major VPBR tower is at $29,500 area, and here you can see after that there is no volume. Once Bitcoin break this area, $29,000 area, in that case definitely here you can see two very small towers, volume towers of VPBR, indicating that price of the Bitcoin can further go down, very, very down, maybe $20,000. $22,000. I will show you my target and what are my expectations. Let me please give some time. This is Bitcoin 4 hourly chart, and here you can see Bitcoin is in this descending wedge, and here you can see after several touches. Let me please show you. Here you can see the starting point and rejections. Here you can see, and resistance point, resistance point, resistance point, and now Bitcoin is at $29,670 price. Now what is the next? Once Bitcoin break this descending wedge towards downside with high volume, in that case price of the Bitcoin can go down to, in 4 hourly chart, the target will be like this. If Bitcoin break this area and close 4 hourly candle below $29,000, in that case with high volume, in that case price of the Bitcoin can go down to, let me please show you, $20,700. This is the target of this descending wedge in 4 hourly time frame. And let me please show you another scenario which is very, very important. Let me please show you. If you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now. Here you can see, if I turn this and if I measure this like this, and in that case here you can see this is clearly a descending wedge, and Bitcoin break this descending wedge towards downside. Here you can see. According to that pattern, price target would be like this. Let me please show you. These all are 4 hourly time frame targets. Price can go down to hit this area, $25,000. You can say in 4 hourly Bitcoin is very, very bearish. In weekly Bitcoin is very, very bearish. 1 hour time frame Bitcoin is very, very weekly. Bearish. And these are two patterns, and that both patterns showing that Bitcoin price can go down to $25,000, maybe $20,000 in very near future. Because Bitcoin break this small descending wedge towards the downside, and the target is $25,500. And Bitcoin is, if Bitcoin break this area, $29,000, and close 4 hourly candle below this downtrend line, in that case it can hit $20,000, $20,700. This will be the target, unfortunately. In 4 hourly time frame, Bitcoin EMA is at $32,500. Once Bitcoin break this area, in that case price will go up, otherwise Bitcoin will go down. In 4 hourly there is very less volume, and volume is not satisfactory. In 4 hourly, major VPBR towers are starting from $31,000 to $39,000 area. Here you can see there are very, very small towers, indicating that there is very less volume and there is very less support actually for Bitcoin right now, and Bitcoin can go down, price of the Bitcoin can go down to $25,000 very soon, I think so. This is Bitcoin 4 hourly chart. Bitcoin is in this descending channel. Here you can see first touch, second touch, third touch, and here you can see this is down support zone. Bitcoin price can hit according to that pattern, I have to hit can hit $29,000, and after that Bitcoin price should have to hold this area. If unfortunately Bitcoin break this area $29,000 and downtrend line and close 4 hourly candle below this, in that case our target will be like this. $25,600, $25,700 This is the target. This is 4 hourly time frame. This pattern is in 4 hour time frame, and Bitcoin, according to that pattern, 25,800 will be the target. Let me please show you daily chart. In daily chart, here you can see Bitcoin is in this descending wedge, and this is upper area. Here you can see this is second area. This is second touch, and this is downtrend line, and here you can see several touches from that zone to this zone, and after that here you can see no Bitcoin price can go down to retest this downtrend line, which is at $26,500 price range. Bitcoin price can hit this. After that, Bitcoin have to bounce back. Otherwise, if Bitcoin unfortunately break this area, this is the area, $26,000 area, price area. In that case, Bitcoin, according to the pattern, Bitcoin price can go down to this zone. This will be very, very bearish, $27,000. I am not saying that Bitcoin can go to hit $17,000, but if I look 200 weekly moving average, and it is at $14,000. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Daily EMA ribbon is at $37,000. Once Bitcoin break $37,000, in that case price will go up. Otherwise, it is very, very strong resistance for the Bitcoin right now. Daily volume is very low. We want some volume. In that case, Bitcoin will move in fast way. Here you can see there are very less towers in that area, $29,000. Once Bitcoin break this, there is no resistance, there is no support zone for the Bitcoin. Here you can see, in that case price of the Bitcoin can go very, very down. This is my technical analysis, friend. If you like my technical analysis, please hit the bell please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now. And please like this and join me on Telegram and Twitter. Links are in this video's description. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. My last words are that bear flag target in 1 hourly time frame, Bitcoin can go down to $28,000 area, $28,300, $28,500. If Bitcoin break this $29,000, in that case price can go down to $28,300. This will be the first target according to the pattern. And according to the pattern, in 4 hourly there are 2 patterns, and this pattern first target is in descending wedge, small descending wedge target is 25,500, and large descending wedge target is $20,000 area. If Bitcoin hold $28,300, in that case this will be the best for the Bitcoin. Otherwise, Bitcoin price can easily retest $25,000, $24,000. This is my prediction. According to the pattern, things are very, very bearish. Bitcoin break weekly EMA ribbon. Bitcoin candles break 30,000 very strong support zone, and Bitcoin is also breaking very, very key support levels. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me.